Hey everybody, now in this video we are going to talk about the EntityDeath event. That's this event right here, EntityDeath, and this triggers whenever like a mob dies. So like a pig or a zombie, something like that, a villager, not when you die, but when a mob dies. So let's build this event. So what we want to happen is whenever whenever a pig dies, we want to give ourselves a diamond. Seems simple enough. Or let's for this example, just send a message, make it simple. All right, so, but we want to do it only when a pig dies, not any of the other ones. So let us have our main, we've got this. Let's make a new function, just call it descriptively pig death. That's the name of my new metal band, but whatever. Input name, of course, we got to put it in info. And then the function reference. Death. Okay, so in pig death, what we can now get is info's entity, and info's entity is going to be the thing that just died. So we're going to store that in a variable named dead, and then it's going to be info's entity, just like that. All right, so now we need to use an if statement to compare if dead is equal to a pig. And if it is, we'll send a message. Now, before we do the if statement, we need to make sure that we also get dead's type. Because if we just get info's entity, then like blocks, the entity is the three-dimensional object, and the type is the type of three-dimensional object it is. So, yeah, that's what we have to do. So let's copy this. Oops. Okay, set a new variable and call it dtype for dead type, and I'm going to set it to dead's type, just like that. Now with our if statement, we're going to see if dtype is equal to pig, entity type pig, of course. So we go up to entities, we get entity type pig, and if it is, let's just send a message. You killed a poor innocent pig. Sad face. Cool. So, mod it. Let's do time today. Let's run it. Oh, whoops, that's the wrong one. Let's do JS refresh. We got week 10 dead, and that's the one we want to use. Oh, there's a creeper. So now, if we run it and we give ourselves a diamond sword, we start killing some things, you'll see that it only sends that message if we kill a pig. So no message is being sent. So let's spawn a pig. You'll see that when we kill it, bam! You just killed a poor innocent pig. Oh, that's so sad. And it only does that when we kill the pig. It does not do that if we kill anything else. That's because we got its type and compared it, of course, to if it was type pig. If it is, it sends that message. So knowing that, I want you guys to try to maybe incorporating this somehow. If you kill a zombie, maybe it'll give you points. Or if you kill a zombie, maybe it'll give you an item that you can use later on to like solve a puzzle or something like that. The world is truly your oyster. And this is just another special utility that you can use to make your mod even better. So I'm excited to see what you guys can do with this information in mind.